Let's say that our goal is to make this object taller while maintaining the same form overall. We want the same twist at the top and bend angle overall. Your first intuition might be to use the scale tool and non-uniformly scale the object up in Z. But notice that as I do that the object is deforming. It's elongating in the Z-axis. So this can't be the solution. Your next thought might be to go down the stack to the base object and make it taller by giving the box primitive a greater height. But notice that we get the topology dependence warning. Even if we click yes and increase the height, we're going to be changing the form of the object. So this isn't the solution either. Fortunately, there is a way to do this, and it involves the use of the Xform modifier. The X is short for cross or trans, so you can call this the transform modifier if you want, or just Xform for short. I'll go up the stack to the mesh select modifier here, because it returns the stack to object level, and it's applied right before bend. I'll toggle the end result off so that we can see how the stack looks at this point. Now I'll assign the Xform modifier. It's at the bottom of the list. And to use this modifier, notice that there are no parameters. We'll go to the gizmo level and we'll scale the gizmo up. As we do that, we're getting a taller box that has the same kind of modifications to it. The reason this is working is because the transform is evaluated as a modifier in object space rather than a world space transform that's evaluated after all the object space modifiers are evaluated. You might need to go back and review the object data flow video to understand the order in which these things are evaluated. But Xform is great for this kind of need, where you need to assign a transform in a specific order in the stack.